Today's Fun Fact Friday is brought to you by an extraordinary sensory condition called synesthesia. Synesthesia is a perceptual phenomenon in which stimulation of one sensory or cognitive pathway leads to involuntary experiences in a second sensory or cognitive pathway. People who report a lifelong history of such experiences are known as synesthetes. Awareness of synesthetic perceptions varies from person to person. In one common form of synesthesia, known as grapheme color synesthesia or color graphemic synesthesia, letters or numbers are perceived as inherently colored. In spatial sequence or number form synesthesia, numbers, months of the year, or days of the week elicit precise locations in space. For example, 1981 might be further away than 1991, or may appear as a three-dimensional map. Synesthetic associations can occur in any combination and any number of senses or cognitive pathways. The phenomenon derives its name from Greek, meaning to perceive together, and comes in many varieties. Some synesthetes hear, smell, taste, or feel pain in color. Others taste shapes, and still others perceive written digits, letters, and words in color. Some, who possess what researchers call conceptual synesthesia, see abstract concepts such as units of time or mathematical operations as shapes projected either internally or in the space around them. And many synesthetes experience more than one form of the condition. The condition is not well known, in part because many synesthetes fear ridicule for their unusual ability. Often, people with synesthesia describe having been driven to silence after being derided in childhood for describing sensory connections that they had not realized were atypical. For scientists, synesthesia presents an intriguing problem. Studies have confirmed that the phenomenon is biological, automatic, and apparently unlearned, distinct from both hallucination and metaphor. The condition runs in families and is more common among women than men, researchers now know. But until recently, researchers could only speculate about the causes of synesthesia. Now, modern behavioral, brain imaging, and molecular genetic tools hold exciting promise for uncovering the mechanisms that drive synesthesia, and researchers hope for better understanding how the brain normally organizes perception and cognition. Research suggests that about 1 in 2,000 people are synesthetes, and some experts suspect as many as 1 in 300 people have some variation of the condition. Although often termed a neurological condition, synesthesia is not listed in either the DSM-4 or the ICD, since it usually does not interfere with normal daily functioning. Indeed, most synesthetes report that their experiences are neutral or even pleasant. Like perfect pitch, synesthesia is simply a difference in perceptual experience.